Welcome to aussi, loca. Today I'm going to show you how to make a origami fox. Take a square piece of paper, fold it in its diagonals, and do the same for the other diagonal too. Now don't unfold this one and fold it down on the top and take this point and fold it like this. So make sure it's some distant to this point or this line. Fold it. So you'll get something like this and do the same measurement of folding for the other side. So once you've done that, flip it and your fox is ready. Now you can give it a face. So here your fox is ready. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.